Welcome back to my channel in LaTeX tutorial series. So in today's video we are going to learn one of the most powerful feature of LaTeX, that is writing mathematical equation and also with the symbols and expressions. So if you are a student, researcher or anyone who is preparing academic papers, so this part is extremely important for you all. So let's get started without wasting time. For that you need to open your LaTeX file first. So this is our last LaTeX tutorial file that in that we have so that how to mention figures, diagrams in your LaTeX file. So let's begin with here. So in LaTeX to write mathematics, we use math mode firstly. And there are two main types of math mode. First is inline math mode and the second one is display math mode. So first for inline math mode, you used for short equation inside a sentence, like you want to write a sentence and in between you want to write an equation, small equation. So how to write this? So begin with this. Like first you need to mention your sentence, like the equation of line is and also mention dollar sign for right equation y is equals to mx plus c, and then just simply compile and your sentence with equation mentioned in your PDF file. So after that, for display math mode, you used when you want the equation to appear on the new line and in a centered. For centered, you need to write your equation in backslash and square bracket. In between that, in between you write your equation like E is equals to mc square, and then just compile. So your equation should be in center. Okay, and always remember to use dollar sign for inline and backslash and square bracket for display equation in center. After that, how to write subscripts and superscript. For that you write for that you need to, like this is for superscript and your underscore should be used for subscript. Like first write dollar sign and then write E is equals to mc square, and for square you need to write this square point. Then for subscript you need to write h subscript for like you need to write underscore h2 and then o and compile. So see, is equals to mc square. Square is in 2 is superscript and here 2 is subscript. Okay, and if you need multiple character in your subscript or superscript, then you use curly braces. Okay, example you need to write x. Firstly you need to mention your dollar sign and x, like you n plus 1, and then just compile. If you want to write n plus 1 is in power, and if you don't mention braces then it gives something else, like same x square and then plus 1, then then only n is in your power and plus 1 is in your normal line. So see, okay, if you want to write n plus 1 is in your superscript, then you mention braces. Okay, and also same for the subscript, like y. If you mention here total, and if you don't mention your curly braces, then only T came in your subscript and left is normal. See, okay. So this is for, and after that how to write fraction, roots and summations. So for fraction we can write simply fraction bracket and you don't forget mention your dollar sign. Okay, and whatever you wanted to write, numerator right here and denominator here. So like a plus b, and in denominator, like if you want to write c plus d, then just compile and here is our fraction mode. C plus D, A plus B upon C plus D. And after that, like for square root, write a square. Don't always don't forget to mention your dollar sign for square root, square, SQRT, and then write X, and then just compile. So see, X is in your square root, and if you want like a like a square root 3, and then you want to write your square root, so for that just put it is in curly bracket and then just compile. So see, okay. And for summation and integration, always write for summation, write sum. Summation is to what? Sum underscore I is equals to, this is our mentioning our limit, and n, and like I square. And see, this is in orange color, so this gives error. Why? Because we don't mention here our dollar sign. Now this is correct. Okay, see. And next, if you want to mention your integration, for integration type int, and underscore 0, superscript 1, and x square, then dx, and then just mention your dollar sign, just compile. Now see, okay. Now uh, Greek letters and special symbols are also we need to mention in our paper. So for that, LaTeX supports almost all Greek letters. Okay, and for used in mathematics and science, here are some examples. So first we need we need to write alpha. Always write in dollar, in between dollar sign. So for alpha, just write alpha. For beta and sigma, whatever you wanted to write, just write a backslash and then your letter, then delta. Okay, and so many more are. And for uppercase, same, just mention your capital letter first, capital letter first, then pi, then sigma. First we need to, okay, then just compile all them. See, alpha, beta, sigma, delta. This is our another delta type. This is our pi. So these are many. So capital P, this pi. And if we can write small pi, then it gives the another letter. See, this pi. Okay. So this is the basically. If you write a capital and a small letter before starting your keyword, it has different meaning. So this is all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. So in next video we will explore how to insert references and citations. That is another essential part of academic writing. Thank you.